Hello, and welcome to the house that Yonder built. Well, Wendy, thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Yeah, and how is the event going?
The event is seamless and fantastic, and we have this beautiful day, so we're happy. I own a company called Soirée Telluride, and 2020 is actually my 20th season in business.
Wow.
So I started the company when I was 26.
Oh my gosh.
I had always been a really great party thrower.
Yeah.
And started doing some fundraising for a nonprofit and then moved into wedding planning.
Perfect.
And I didn't really know much, but I kind of flew by the seat of my pants and learned as I went.
It's kind of how you do it sometimes.
It's how you do it.
Yeah.
And then through the years, we've sort of continually grown. 2011 was our signature monster year because we got hired by Ralph and Ricky Lauren to plan their son's wedding.
Oh, wow.
And he married Lauren Bush, so we were working with the Bush family as well.
Yeah.
And so that kind of skyrocketed Soirée Telluride into the high-end luxury level, and also
It's amazing.
What we specialize in, although it's not the wedding we're doing today, but what we really specialize in is off-site tented production. Turning a big open field into, a luxury high-end event and bringing in all the production that goes along with it. And we love working with Yonder House. It's very exciting to bring in Gretchen's eye. She has a very fresh approach to event production, and having her do floral as well as tabletop and furniture and doing an all-encompassing design for us is really how we love to work. Because the less people on a site, the easier. And when it's, a professional vendor like Gretchen and all of you guys from Yonder, it just, it's ease us.
Yeah.
She has a great eye, and so it's exciting.
Yeah. And we're kind of moving into that more like, still doing the great rentals and everything, but moving into more of like a full service design house. So we really appreciate you seeing that in us. And we're really excited to keep working with you in the future.
Thank
and I
you.
really
We
appreciate
are
your
too.
time.
It's my pleasure.
Thanks so much.
You.
Thank you.
I love you. Okay.
I love you too.